What's up? It's ID1 and today I've got a Volkswagen Beetle from 1968. What? Just look how cute it is. It's just it's in this purple paint, and the rims are also non-standard. I would say that this car is has been restored, and you can see it by the inside. It has like leather seats and some steering wheel. This Volkswagen Beetle was made by Germans, and it was actually the idea of the car was to make a very massive production car that almost any family could afford. So that's why they made this car very cheap, and it definitely was one of the cheapest cars of that time, and it was produced till early 2000. The last production car was in Brazil, and they made millions of these cars. Now this one has non-standard rims. As you can see, there is a gray color, and the style of these rims are like from hot rods, some kind of hot rods, and it has a very funny bonnet like that and looks like bug. Машина просто обалденная. So now we'll have a chance to hear the sound. As you know, the Beetle has an engine outside of it. Alright. Right now I'm gonna make a face like it's supposed to happen. But actually not, because I saw this car on the street and then chased it and asked the owner if I can film it, and he said, "Oh yeah, why not? Okay." He was not very enthusiastic about it, so that's why I filmed it, and he just said it and just drove away. But let's forget about it. And still, Volkswagen Beetle is an awesome car. I would love to ride one. As you saw, it's very small on the inside, and this car apparently is a weekend car, the car that you drive like at the weekend, just to make yourself put yourself a bit of smile on your face. And yeah, this car has an engine at the back. I think it has something around maybe 35 horsepower, and it was designed by Ferdinand Porsche, so that's why it looks almost like a Porsche 911, right? Okay, so that was ID1, and thank you for tuning in this short video, and see you next time.